Hey, what's up, all you Kryptonians? What's happening today? It's the 9th of February 2018. I just want to quickly pull your attention to Stratis. I think Stratis is in a pretty nice buy zone here. If we go and just check the price action over the last couple of months, you can see that Stratis has been under some pretty severe pressure. We had this sort of medium-term bear market here. You can see that the market just keeps making lower lows and lower highs. And we got this last lower high coming in right over here, and then the market again failed, made a new low. So that was pretty much the level that the market needed to break in order to get us, even a little bit excited in getting involved in Stratis, but we did actually eventually get that breakout, and you can see that the market rallied up here and broke and closed above this previous level, and then we went into a nice little bull run after that. We sort of consolidated a little bit over here, and then we got another break and close above. We actually started making higher highs and higher lows, which is the definition of a bullish trend, and then we actually got another break and close below, signaling to us that maybe we're going to start seeing another little bearish market. And you can see that we got the low close and then the lower high, and again another break and close below. But what's interesting is that where the market is sitting at right now is right on top of some pretty staunch support levels. So if you consider this level here that we needed to break in order to get us looking bullish on the market again, that was the last powerful resistance level. And you can see that as the market broke back, every single time it fell back down into these levels, we saw really nice explosions out of it. So that resistance has now become support, and you can see that the market is actually fallen right back down into those levels now. So this is a pretty strong level for Stratis at the moment, and it could present some pretty nice buying opportunities going forward. But then, as well as these support levels, we've got some Fibonacci confluence that's converging on these levels. So if we take our Fibonacci extension tool and we draw it from the swing high down to the swing low and back down in, you'll see that that 127 extension comes right in at that level over there. So if we draw our extension buy zone between the 127 and the 1618, you can see that that buy zone is coming in right at these support levels over here. And then on top of that, we've got a harmonic ABCD pattern, which basically tells us that the market is in some sort of harmonic move. You can see that this leg down is exactly equal to the support level. We have the completion of this harmonic move down. So we've got a lot of confluence happening in this area. We've got the market broke out of this long-term bearish trend. Okay, we've seen the market find support once, twice on that previous resistance level. The market's now trading back down into these levels now. So it's possible for us to see some sort of a bounce coming out of these levels, and we might be able to rally back up to this zone over here, or this could be a continuation of a much longer bull run that's just developing now after we had this really nice breakout of this very important resistance level. So you definitely got to keep an eye on Stratis at the moment. You can get your stop losses a little bit underneath the low that was formed on the 6th of February, and you can potentially be riding this thing up to these sort of highs over here and see, and just to manage the position from there. But this is definitely an area that you need to start looking at, maybe accumulating some Stratis to try and benefit from any bullish price action that we're going to see from, these highly reactive levels. So good luck in the markets, guys, and I'll keep you updated as best as I can.